Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear voice scan history on your account on Snapchat. Easy and quick. First, click on the settings icon here, and now here you will find it on account actions. You will find clear voice scan history. Click on it and click clear, and it will be cleared. And that's how to clear uh, a voice scan history on your account on Snapchat. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.